If I said it out loud, you be dead too. Just remember some fear and selection. For the sake of holding on to the super ed. Be conscious of the things that you never did. This will keep you from pretending you're exempted. I call you kid cause you wish you were again shit. Let me know when I hit a little light switch. Then I'll stop rhyming to you like a little kid. Repetition is the method of the salesman. I use the power of it now to make a difference. Bottom of thought in the package of attention. To move on what I mentioned.
This is Mac with Tech, alright.
I don't make another sorry excuse about the way you force upon you my own views. I take a lot with your upset and kill the clues to how you act when you don't really want the truth. Commercial. You want tracks that's not controversial. I understand it's not to be your soul virgin. Somebody died when they said the truth will hurt you. Pay attention to the song, it's about you. Narcissism works through the doubtful. Turn your back on me now and miss the point. Monkeys don't dance for bananas, they steal it from a plentiful source. I am my backbone plus the drive. To leave myself far and beyond the ride. The ego loves to take from the insecure. I'm safe cause I love my flaws as much as I love yours. You don't want to show your ugly side. You pretend you're pretty and enjoy the ride. Coasting on the low, self-esteem, called fuel with fear. Now comes the part where you pretend to disappear in reliance. You don't have enough to make it on your own. You take the credit from the people that you own, bluffing. Saying you're a major thing, then you use dead people to make a nigga bling. Why? I guess you got a complex. You agree with conflict, not caring who we bomb next. Music used to have a voice, now it has a stupid representative with no choice. Make another sorry excuse about the way you force upon you my own views. I take a lot with your upset and kill the clues to how you act when you don't really want the truth. Drive, map the route just to see what we want to sell. Star quality is backed by white devils, and most of them are black. I know what I said and I won't take it back. Fuck you. If I said it another way, it'd be too abstract for you to take. You make the public unify over a plastic cause. Upon that revolution, you apply the goal. Arrogance is greedy. In search of a superficial hero, just now teasing property. I will own my own movement. This is what the pride has nothing to do with. You kids do this just to prove it's a golden boy. Once it's new, it fills your void. I'm annoyed at the way you learn to spit back at me. Your info is back with the lack of taxi. Love ain't a part of what you wish to match. You serve with the means to win the matches. Logic is confused with the stimulus for stardom. In the process, you forget who you are. Stop. Think about lose before you get props. Just another hard, let down your guard and grill. You wanted to build, yet you front still.